A person becomes lonely when their inner self leaves them alone. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. A person becomes lonely when their inner self leaves them alone. A person drowns in their own loneliness, neither feeling happiness nor understanding sadness. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Nothing special will happen until a person finds their inner self. And it's hard. Little by little, a person loses themselves, and it is difficult. It is so difficult to find yourself once you have reached indifference. And the harder thing is to find yourself in this indifference and forgive yourself. Yeah, forgive yourself for what? For that indifference. And I believe running is not the solution. You have to apologize. You have to confront. You have to find yourself you have to find yourself to break down the walls of alienation. In a competition, the one who falls in the ground is not the loser. The one who doesn't get up after falling is the loser. You are, my friend, you are not a loser if you don't give up. Okay? Thank you for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me, and like, share, subscribe to my channel, and always remember, no one can take your place, and you cannot take someone else's place too. Okay? Love you. Bye.